Hi, it's Chris again. How much progress are you making, and are you happy with the degree of progress you're making within your work, your career, your business, relationships? How much progress are you making, and are you happy with that? And what you might find is that a lot of people want to make more progress and ideally faster progress. That makes sense, right? But what happens in practice is the opposite. That progress doesn't get faster for too many people. Actually, progress really slows down. And why does it slow down? Progress slows down when we start caring too much about what others think of us. When we prioritize what other people think about us, that's when we start slowing down the actions that we need to take. That's when progress slows down. We start worrying about, what if I get it wrong? How will I look to other people? And that desperate feeling of being judged by other people, often people that we really don't care about, but we don't like being judged anyway. So the opposite about how do you speed up progress is that people will make more progress more rapidly when they care less about what other people think. And actually, instead of caring what other people think, when you can shift your focus about what you really care about to caring more about the results you're getting for other people, if that's the nature of your business, when you care more about the results that are achieved than about what other people think, that's when progress speeds up. When you care more about getting results than you do about what other people think of you, that's when progress speeds up. Or really succinctly, really shortly, progress speeds up when you care so much that you don't care anymore. When you care so much about the results, you don't care what anyone else thinks or does, you're going to go your way. That's when it speeds up. If you find it helpful, here's to your progress. See you another time.